The process begins rod assembled and welded together. Next is winding and insulation, followed by rotor and stator integration. Let's see how a coal green diesel generator is made, from cutting and assembly to wiring, testing, and packaging. The manufacturing process begins with raw material selection.
High-quality materials.
Only approved materials proceed to production. Stage 5, fuel system installation. The fuel pump, fuel injectors, fuel filters, and fuel lines are all fitted. This ensures an efficient fuel supply and better combustion. Stage 6, cooling system installation. Radiator, cooling fan, water pump, and coolant hoses are fitted. This system prevents the engine from overheating during operation. The lubrication system is now assembled. The oil pump, filter, sump, and passages are installed, reducing friction and increasing engine life. Aligning the coupling now, securing the bolts, connection complete, testing alignment. Connecting the sensor inputs now. Powering the breakers. Monitoring is active. Stage 12, generator set enclosure assembly. Air vents, exhaust system, and access doors are then installed. Appearance is good, no visible defects. Performance metrics verified, safety protocols confirmed. Documentation complete. Inspection complete, all secure. Copy that, ready to dispatch. Bringing it around, clear the path, moving out.